Hello, in this video I talk about MetaTrader and InteractiveBrokers. Many traders wish to use MetaTrader in order to trade their InteractiveBrokers account. Unfortunately, this is not possible in a native manner. Native manner shall mean you just go on login in MetaTrader and then you provide your InteractiveBrokers account credentials. And then you can place trades from within MetaTrader for your InteractiveBrokers account, or you can see the balance of your InteractiveBrokers account like you can see in the account window of TWS, and your executions and so on. This is not possible. The reason is MetaTrader is a closed concept. It is not intended to be used with external brokers or data providers. The deal is you get free software and free market data, and therefore you only trade with the connected MetaTrader broker. There is no API for external brokers and no API to get external data into the MetaTrader charts, because the MetaTrader business model requires to have control about market data to implement their artificial spread. And this is what makes the profit for MetaTrader brokers. However, in a certain sense, there is a way to break out from MetaTrader in order to use it to place orders for an InteractiveBrokers account. Let me show you this. For instance, I place one lot Euro US dollar buy limit order, and as you can see, it immediately appears here in your TWS. And when I drag the price here, the price is changed accordingly in TWS, or in the upper MetaTrader. The upper one is a MetaTrader 5, lower one is MetaTrader 4. A sell limit order, British pound, and as you can see, it has been placed here. And also here, if I drag the price is changed here. When I cancel this, it is cancelled here. Cancel the MetaTrader 4 order, cancelled. Or let's place a Dow order in this time. At this time, let's place a market order, sell one lot Dow, and as you can see, executed here, where the Dow symbol in MetaTrader is linked to the Dow CFD in TWS. This all is possible with the Copier software here. And the Copier software just runs one expert advisor. It is just attached to one chart, and this expert advisor is reading out orders placed for your MetaTrader account. So you need a MetaTrader account, demo or live. And then this information is sent to the Copier, and the Copier creates orders for your InteractiveBrokers account. So this expert is just put on one chart, and all orders from all other charts or all other experts are detected and copied to your MetaTrader account. Okay, let's close this order. And as you can see, a counter order is placed on TWS. All order types that are possible with MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 are supported. For instance, a buy stop order, or stop limit with MetaTrader 5. Let's place a stop limit order here. Buy stop at 1.17. What's wrong? Buy stop limit, okay. And the stop limit price 1.16.7. Along with stop loss and take profit. The stop loss, let's say 1.16, and the take profit 1.18. And you can see this order has been replicated exactly. And also when we drag the take profit, it is changed here or if we drag the trigger price, where the whole stop loss and take profit level is moved along with, all prices are changed. And if we cancel this, it is cancelled. Where to get the Copier? You can get the Copier from trade-commander.com, products, MetaTrader InteractiveBrokers order Copier, and here is also a test version available. Just click on test version and then download test version. Once installed and you run this first time, you are asked for an email address. Then please provide a valid email address. We do not use this address for marketing or advertising or newsletters, just for registration purpose. The price for the Copier is 119 euro per year per InteractiveBrokers account. If you, for instance, connect with a financial advisor accounts having 4 custom accounts and 1 master accounts, you need a license for 5 accounts in total. We also offer a free setup help via TeamViewer. You can open TeamViewer or use our TeamViewer module when you run the Copier and then go on help, open TeamViewer. This opens our TeamViewer module. It takes a couple of seconds. A window is showing up with an ID and the password, and just send your request for a setup help per email along with this ID and this password to contact@trade-commander.de. We provide the setup help in the time from 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. Monday to Friday Central Europe time. Mostly a matter of 5 up to 10 minutes. We make the setup for you. We answer your questions and you can start over. You may also want to know where you can get a MetaTrader account. There are various MetaTrader brokers on this planet where you can open an account for little money like $50 or $100, or use one of the public demo accounts, MetaQuotesNet for MetaTrader 5. If you scroll down, you can download and install MetaTrader 5, and with a few clicks you open a demo account. Just provide your name and email address. Or for MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader4.com. Also here, just click on download, install the MetaTrader. With a few clicks you have opened a MetaTrader 4 account. And if you scroll down, you have another, it starts carefully here. MetaTrader4.com starts with MetaTrader 5 in the upper section, because this is the future. And if you scroll down, you can find a link for downloading MetaTrader 4. So it's very easy to open a MetaTrader account with a few clicks. Takes some minutes, and you can use the powerful MetaTrader to trade your InteractiveBrokers account using our Copier. Thank you for watching this video. Take care.